Hey guys, what's up? So today I'll be sharing with you all a very simple winter hair care DIY. This will not only help in moisturizing your hair and keeping your hair nice and soft, but it will also help in dealing with hair loss issues, or if you have slight dandruff problem, this will help with that as well. So what is this super awesome hair pack? Well, just keep watching this video guys to find out. So we'll start by taking some banana powder. If you want, you can also take mashed banana. Banana powder is just easier to work with because there's no lumps and clumps forming, right? So yeah, going back to the DIY, we'll take some banana powder for moisturizing and conditioning the hair. To this, we'll add some pudina leaf powder. Pudina leaf powder is extremely nice for scalp cooling. It's also really good for the hair. To this, we'll add a little bit of curry leaf powder, which again is great for nourishing and conditioning your hair, dealing with frizziness and split ends. To this, we're going to add lots of avocado oil. Avocado oil is rich in fatty acids and it's really good for keeping the nourishment intact. To this, we'll add just 2 or 3 drops of cinnamon essential oil, which helps in preventing scalp buildup and also deals with dandruff to some extent. One quick thing I want to mention here guys, if you have tremendous dandruff problem, instead of cinnamon essential oil, you can also use tea tree oil. So cinnamon is good if you have light dandruff or a little bit of scalp buildup, but for excessive dandruff, instead of cinnamon, just use tea tree oil, okay? So yes, all these ingredients are right there in place. Mix them all together very well using some curd. Yes, we're also adding some curd here. And apply it all over your head, all over your scalp. Leave it on for about 1.5 hours and wash it off with a nice shampoo. So you can either use a nice anti-dandruff shampoo, something as simple as Head and Shoulders also works. Like, I personally think Head and Shoulders, especially the mint variant, it's a very good anti-dandruff shampoo. Or if you have any other shampoo which you really like using, an argan oil based shampoo or something, like depending on what your hair really needs, you can just wash it off and shampoo everything off. So this is a DIY which you can easily use once a week. More than once a week is what I would not recommend. But if you think that your hair is really frizzy, maybe for the first 2 weeks you can use it twice a week and then start using it just once a week. Now this is a very natural hair pack, so there should not be any issues, but still do a patch test at the back of your head like this. I will be doing a video very soon on how to do different types of patch tests, for hair coloring, for face products, for body care products and things like that. So just keep a watch out on my channel for that. So yes, come back and share your feedback, and thank you so much for watching guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye.